Hello. Today we'll be looking at the Cryozet Plus tutorial and overview. This device offers cryotherapy, hot therapy, iontophoresis, and cool, hot electric stimuli all in one device. This video will show you the basics of how to use the machine and the process behind treatments. First, power up the device by pressing the button in the back. On the far left, a blue light will indicate that it is ready to use. Then we can see that the device has 3 different modes. 1 is for the face, 2 is for muscle pain relief, and 3 is for cellulite removal. To use the electroporation or the cool hot stimuli, press the EP button. Adjust the proper temperature for your client, as well as the allotted time for the treatment. There are also different options offered by Cryozet Plus for a more personalized session. For the first option, wash the client's face with one of Histolab's cleansers or toners. Then apply one of Histolab's peel solutions that best suits the client's skin type. Next, apply a wet gauze over the client's face and apply conductive gel over the top. After the set time is up, remove the gauze and gently wipe the face clean with one of Histolab's cleansers. Afterwards, apply either the Ion2P or V and gently massage. Hand the patient the ion rod attached to the device before running the device on the cool function. Then use the hand probe on the client's face to cool post-treatment and relax the face muscles. Follow the same steps of the Ionto-P or V and gently massage. You can also use the electrode wand, which helps with areas under the eyes, wrinkles, pimples, and any other issues you may have. Gently wipe the face clean with one of Histolab's cleansers. I hope this brief tutorial gave you some insight on how to properly use the Cryozet Plus device. Take care.